Hello friends, welcome to Kids Drawing Hub. We learn easy and simple. Let's start. We need a black marker and let's get started. First, we draw a line. This is the first line of this letter. Then draw a parallel line to it. These are the two lines to hold the letter together. Next we draw a parallel line. These lines are similar to one. There are the same line here. Here are the two parallel lines. Next, draw the strands. These two connecting the letter together. Then keep going. This is one. Next. This is the next. Draw it with me. This line is parallel to each other. This is 2 and 3. Here are the number 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 lines of a letter and last one is 4. Drawing is completed. Let's redraw it. Then keep going on into the end. Here are the part 2 and next is the strands. This is hands. Our redrawing almost completed. The next step is coloring. Here is the color. This is blue color. Let's draw it with me. This is the one side of this letter and the next. This is the one side, the color of this side is blue and also the second side is blue color. This is the second side of a letter. Let's color it. Keep going on till the end. Of the word. So, two-letter color side color is blue and the middle part of first one is red. This is red color. This is looking awesome. This is red color. Let's draw with red. The second part of the letter is orange. This is